Here's a simple exercise to really work those hamstrings. We're gonna go over what's called stool scoots. All you need with this one is a stool. Obviously, a office chair would work. If you have like hardwood or like linoleum or tile, it's best. It will be really hard to do this on carpet. So you're gonna do is you're gonna set up here. Your feet are gonna be pointing straight forward, spine nice and tall, and you're just gonna dig your heels into the ground as you pull your heels towards the stool. When you get to the end, spin around, nice and tall, and really dig those heels. It's a great exercise. It's also a really good one to race your buddies with. Have fun with it. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.